The first question is, how do you say, how are you in Swahili?
We say it in Swahili, habari yako. Amba, we say it, hujambo. Hujambo. Other people used to say hujambo, and other people used to say habari yako.
Habari yako Gujango.
Habari yako,
Gujango. Let's say together.
Habari yako,
Gujango.
Not gujango, hujambo. Hujambo.
Gujango.
It's H. It stands with H.
Gujango.
You guys speaking Chinese.
right.
Hujambo.
Let's say habari yako. Let's take habari yako. No, that's easy.
Habari yako.
It's your turn.
Okay. How about this? It's your turn. It's your turn. Go on.
So how do you say where do you live in Somali?
Okay, in Somali you say حاجات ku nooshahay or حاجات degan tahay. Huh? Try to say it.
Haget unosha.
Shahay, hay, hay.
Haget unosha hai.
Yeah, or bravo, that's great.
That's great.
Pretty good, pretty good. Well, it's our turn, right?
Yes.
Well, how about this? How do you say I love my country in Swahili?
Country is inchi.
Inchi.
Yes. Then love is napenda. Love is
Inchi
napenda.
napenda.
But we have tenses in Swahili. So it depends. Are you talking about past, present, or future?
We need one. I love.
So I love my country.
Yes.
Napenda nchi yangu. Napenda nchi yangu. Napenda nchi
Yango.
Very simple.
Pretty simple. Napenda Inji Yango.
nchi yangu.
Inji Yango.
There is no I. Nchi yangu.
Inchi.
Yeah.
Like chi.
No. NCHI.
Inchi.
Yeah.
Inji Yango.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your turn.
Rahma, I guess you have a question.
I do have.
This was part 1. Today we were here trying to learn some Swahili. Well,